Hi everybody again. This is a second video to explain some of the strategies that we've been learning about this year in second grade. And I'm going to show you the number line next, and then we'll have one other strategy at the end. So for the number line, we're going to start with the 3-digit addition problem. We've talked a lot in class about we start with the biggest number, even if you're doing subtraction or addition. So you're going to start with the biggest number, which is 431, and we've talked about that. If we're doing addition, you're going to want to put 431 on the left side because we want the numbers to get bigger as we add on the number line. And then you're going to break down 125 into hundreds, tens, and ones. So I know, I'm going to just kind of write it up here at the top. I know that 125 is 100 plus 20 plus 5. So that will help me with my jumping. So I'm going to jump 100. I'm going to remember that I'm going to add 100 more to the hundreds. So that would be 531. And then I'm going to add 20. I like to cross them off, so I remember to do them. I'm going to add 20 more. So now I'm going to do the tens. So I'm going to add basically a 2 to the tens, or 20. So now I have 551. And then I'm just going to add 5 more. And I've done all of my numbers at the top. So the answer would be 556. Now let's talk about how to do it with subtraction. So with subtraction, we talked about you still start with the biggest number, but this time it needs to go on the right side because we want the numbers to get smaller this time. So we know if we break down 134, it's going to be, I'm just going to write it kind of up here, 100 plus 30 plus 4. So I'm going to subtract 100. I know I'm taking 100 away. So now I have 169. I've used the 100. Now I want to take away 30. I want to use the tens this time. So I have 139. And then I'm going to take away 4. This time I'm focusing on the ones. 135 should be our final answer for that one. So those are a few examples for number line. Now let's go on to our final example, the expanded form. Now for this one, we normally only do this one for addition. It's a little bit harder, more challenging with subtraction. So we just mainly talk about this one with addition. So this equation is 562. So we're going to break that down. So I went ahead and put the little equal signs here because that's what you do in expanded form. We're just going to break it down, decompose the number into hundreds, tens, and ones. So 562 is 500 plus 60 plus 2. 247 is 200 plus 40 plus 7. I just extend the line all the way across, and I still add in the plus signs. And then we're going to go right to left again. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 60 plus 40. Now for this part, it's a little bit trickier, but what I would suggest to the kids is just go ahead and write 100 there. And then we can write 500 plus 200 is 700. You're going to want to go ahead and combine the hundreds together to make it a little easier. And then you're almost done. You're going to do 800 plus 9, which is 809. So that's an example of expanded form. So I hope these videos helped with understanding what your kids are doing in the math area. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.